Roads deteriorate long before they fail. Oxidation, surface wear, minor cracking, and texture loss gradually reduce pavement performance. Microsurfacing is an advanced preventive maintenance solution designed to restore surface integrity, improve skid resistance, and extend pavement life. UniSurface Microsurfacing Paver is available in two high-performance variants, UniSurface 8000 and UniSurface 12000. The dedicated emulsion tank and water tanks provides controlled and precise binder and water dosage for uniform coating of aggregates to achieve consistent mix quality in varying site conditions. Applied as a cold-mixed, polymer-modified treatment, microsurfacing corrects minor distresses while minimizing traffic disruption. High-capacity aggregate bins ensure uninterrupted material flow and accurate proportioning. The calibrated cement and fiber hopper regulates setting characteristics for improved early strength development. A continuous mixing system ensures homogeneous blending of aggregates, emulsion, water, cement, and fiber in real time. The precision-engineered screed delivers controlled spread rates, uniform layer thickness, and a consistent surface profile. Adjustable screed configurations allow adaptation to varying lane widths and application requirements. The result is a uniform, durable, and high-performance microsurfaced layer. Ideal for preventive maintenance, rut filling, surface correction, and pavement preservation programs. UniSurface systems combine capacity, precision, and engineered reliability to deliver consistent microsurfacing performance.